Alright everybody, welcome back to AI Collectibles. What I have for you today are the McFarlane Toys DC Multiverse, the Joker and Batman from the White Knight comic. I'm going to get these guys opened up. These are a little bit larger than the 6-inch figures. They're 7 inches, which is what the scale McFarlane's doing. So I'm going to open these guys up and give my thoughts on them, so stay tuned. Alright, so here they are, all posed up out of the package. Yeah, I really like these guys. I wasn't too keen on some of the earlier McFarlane DC Universe figures that they released. I don't care for the animated versions. I have the DC Collectibles ones and I think they're better. I think the proportions were wonky on the McFarlane Toys ones. And I think the head sculpts on the comic version of Batman and the Arkham Asylum one kind of looked dopey, so I didn't care for those, didn't care to pick them up. But this guy, man, I saw videos of him, I saw pictures of him, I saw him in hand, and I was just like, man, he nailed that. The head sculpt is great. I mean, he is damn near perfect to the comic version. And it just, the paint, the detail, I like the lines and the bat symbol, the softness, or the soft material that they use around his waist that hides his hip articulation is awesome. I like the Joker. I like him a lot. I have to say my least favorite head sculpt is the Joker one. I mean, it's great and it's got great paint apps, but compared to that Jack Napier one, good man. Like, check that out. Like, it's great. Like, they got the different colored eyes, like the paint apps. He literally looks like he just stepped right off of the comic page. So that's the comic, that's the head I'm probably going to have him posed up with, because I really dig it. I think they did an awesome job. And Batman, same thing. I like his accessories. Yeah, he's got his grapple gun. And then he's got his batarang attached to a string. And then he's got the one that he can throw out, right? So the articulation is awesome. I like what these figure, like these new, like it's nice to have new people doing these kinds of figures. Like same with the G.I. Joes. Like these guys got ankle pivot articulation, toe articulation, so you can really get some of those deep poses and stances, and they'll stay and they'll hold them, right? So I'm really impressed with these two. I can't wait to get them posed up on the shelf. So again, that's my thoughts, that's my unboxing. So if you like what I'm doing, and even if you don't, leave a comment below, and then like and subscribe, share my videos, get them out, help me get them out there if you like them. And yeah, that's all I got for today, so I'm out of here.